But I'm not doing the YouTube video. I'm just recording.
No, Morgan has it. I thought they, I was confused.
I'm just recording. I'm not doing a YouTube video. See? What?
So what do you do with all those recordings you take?
I post them.
Tyler, where's my phone?
Or I can edit them. Or I can delete them. And
Tyler, I lost my.
your phone's there.
I'm stuck.
What color is your phone?
Black.
It's black.
Okay.
Morgan has it. That's all it has.
Oh!
Is that your phone, Nathan?
Yeah, I can't even.
I'm always keep a little phone.
Oh!
And there's one running by from every finger.
Tyler, stop!
You're close.
Owie! Tyler, please give me my phone.
Okay, but first, I have
Are you
to.
going to literally look on my phone?
There.
You what?
I'm not a butt.
Tyler, let's go see what brands.
Yeah, let's go see it. Why do I always have to keep the camera like that? I don't like that. Always keep the camera running.
Always keep the camera running.
We're not doing a YouTube video this time. We're just doing vlogs. We're not doing a vlog.
Hold on, bro.
We're going in the bag.
Oh, come on, Tyler. Tyler?
I see you. I was saying I had to go sneak for a second. Okay, what do you think we should do, vloggers?
Hey
Well,
guys,
video.
want to see a black something?
Want to see my bare ass? Well, ew!
I didn't mean to drop it on you. Let's go see a raven.
Who cares about Ben kids?
Now Tyler.
Sarah!
The one over there, the frame come out in one piece. I was like, yeah, I don't know, I was flooping, but I was like, oh yeah, it's not gonna be in one piece. I just looked.
Vlogging! Nathan, if you want to be my friend, come out here. Nathan, if you want to be my friend, come out here. No? Okay. Let me get my bike out the door. April Fool's what? What's an April Fool's prank? Don't ask. You want me to end the vlog here or keep going? End it? Okay. We're gonna do some very cool stuff. I'll get 2,000, 6,000 likes if you vlog it. Sarah! I'm so close to your big old face. I'm gonna end the vlog here. And okay, then stop. Stop doing it with my phone. I ended the vlog. I ended the vlog already. And poke. And post Stop posting. No. There and there. There and there and. You know I wasn't stopping.
Hey, yo!
Ready? You have to do that. You have to do that. If you
Are
want
you posting it?
No. Here, I even clever it. Say no. Here,
Just turn it off.
see, I'll show you. This is where the camera comes out. See? Here, see? Here, I'll even not touch the phone. You have to do it. You have to do it. You have to put your whole arm in it. Do you feel it? Does it feel good? Feels kind of weird. Okay. We didn't do anything, vloggers. Don't ask. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Time wait. You don't know what the time wait is. The time wait is. You guys stop the video. Bye. Who cares about Brandon? Okay.
I'm sarcastic. I don't like people.
Why do we want to go to see what Brandon's doing? You love him? Or you love chill? What am I even doing to be sarcastic? What am I even doing? You come on, we gotta get back from the butt. The butt.
Not pulling it out.
The butt. The butt.
The bug.
I was just doing a band. We're gonna do a little band, okay? The band was over. It was so cool. Did you guys like it? It was like, oh,
You lied to the viewers.
what do you mean? Okay, I lied. But we're gonna do a band. Ready? So, we did the band. That was so awesome. I need to be the one that has the guts. The band was over. It wasn't. It's a cool band. The band was over a few hours ago. A few minutes ago. 3 seconds.
I'm the one who has the guts.
I'm the one that has the guts to heal Earth.
Stop rapping.
Laviolis!
Hey.
A tour is
We're
gonna
rapping.
Away, boys. Totally.
We are.
Go. You can go.
Baby, I will go in ahead. I see butt. Oh, what's this? Oh, my water. I forgot about that.
That's our water that we
Slip
just
come out.
didn't drink an hour ago.
Keyhole slip.
Nathan, look. Nathan, look. Gulp, 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 gulp. Nathan, look. Gulp, 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 gulp.
You're pouring your water out.
In my head.
He's pouring it like this. He's pouring it like this.
Okay.
Oh, he's doing this. He's doing this.
Yep, so we can go down my shirt. Look at the dirt. Who are we gonna go inside? How are we gonna go inside?
Walk around.
What?
We got a back door, bud.
Okay. Well, it looks like we're going. I'm excited. Hi.
Come on, get away from that door now. They're working on it.
And
You only have
Pause the
until
video.
3 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
I paused the video, so. Go, should we walk her out?
You only have till 3 o'clock, Tyler, to sleep here. So I wanted.
I didn't pause the video on accident. What do you mean pause the video? I did not pause the video. We cannot close it because it's perfect. Make sure we can't close it. Okay. Oh,
look what we did.
Watch, you gotta
See
see
if
this.
we can move it. Look.
No, we can. Here, I'm gonna put the phone down. Did you notice anything different? We moved it. It was right here.
Hey, guys, bye-bye. I gotta go now.
Okay, perfect.
Hey, Tyler.
Oh my gosh, I can see your hands.
Don't show the viewers where I am.
I will cut that out. Cut it out. Show them. I paused the video. What's the pause the video? We can't pause the video.
Following it up.
We got it. We got it. Oh. Lock the dump truck and the flash. Here comes the cutie squad. Shut the header. Sorry, head dad. Here comes the cutie squad. No, don't move them.
We can.
Move them.
Get in trouble.
Here comes the dump truck. Lock the cutie squad. Here's the shut up Hetta. Sorry, Hetta. Lock the dump truck and the flash. Here comes the cutie squad. Shut up, Hedda. Sorry, Hedda. I'm moving it back.
Tyler, hold on.
Lock the dump truck in the flash. Here comes the cutie. Just shut up, Hedda. Sorry, Heather. Oh my God, Tyler. Lock the dump truck in the flash. Here comes.